Hello, beautiful souls. You might be wondering what the divine within is if you've seen any of my posts. The divine within is consciousness itself, the quantum field, as physicists call it. Consciousness is what we are at our core. And there are different levels of consciousness. And as we are all experiencing ourselves as separate in our physical bodies, we have different levels of consciousness or different levels of awareness of the quantum field. So, my book, The Divine Within, Healing Ourselves to Heal the World, helps you develop self-awareness to understand where your level of consciousness is. And it isn't that one level of consciousness is better than other levels of consciousness. It's just that some levels of consciousness cause harm. And ultimately, it is all of our jobs to heal ourselves enough that we raise our consciousness or remember our connection to the love, peace, and unity that we are at our core. That is what all spiritual traditions teach. They teach you to embody love and peace and to love your neighbor as you love yourself. But how can you love your neighbor as you love yourself if you have wounds inside yourself that are telling you that there is separateness, that there are some levels of consciousness that are better than other levels of consciousness? Truly, the way to embody God, if you want to call it that, is to remember that we are all at our own levels of consciousness, and we all need to take accountability to heal ourselves. So when you do your inner work of healing yourself, you can shine that love and peace and unity in all of your actions, and you can hold others accountable to reflect and heal themselves, not by spreading fear or hate or shame or guilt, but by modeling compassion, justice, with mercy. If you found this intriguing, I hope you'll consider reading my book, The Divine Within, Healing Ourselves to Heal the World, which offers a step-by-step guide of how to heal yourself so that you can embody love and peace through the tools of mindfulness and somatic awareness and energy healing. It bridges spirituality, psychology, and neuroscience, and it offers the perspective that we all get to call this whatever we feel called to call it, and we all get to experience in our unique way based on what our unique evolution is. I'm sending you all such deep love and appreciation for who you are and how you shine your light. At our core, we all believe that we are good. Sometimes we just don't understand that the ways that we are showing up in the world do make others feel like they are not good and causes them harm. And we each need to take accountability for ourselves to understand why we do what we do, why we believe what we believe, and whether it causes harm. If you're interested in buying my book, it is available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, and other online platforms, or go to your local library and ask them to carry it, or your local bookstore. Sending you deep love.